Hello, ladies and germs. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about this iPhone. Now, what you'll notice about this iPhone is that the color on it absolutely sucks. And the reason that is because it's an aftermarket screen. What happened to the original? Well, that's this one over here. I was repairing the battery on this phone. I dropped it, and when I did, the force of the drop caused this thing that looks like it's a little zero insertion force socket, but it's not. It was attached to the screen, and when it dropped, it ripped. Clean break, right? So that's this over here. Now, this Android phone is what I had to use in these terrible 2 days when I did my iPhone. Let's get that out of the way. Now, this we're done with. It's working. It's ugly. The angle of the display is absolutely terrible from a regular, normal iPhone display. The question is what to do with this. Well, I'm going to show you a little trick that I know about. You can see that there's a crack right here, and that the ribbon cable's cut. You might think, well, maybe, just maybe, there's a way to actually get this working again and refurbish it. Now I'm going to show you the first step. What we're going to do here is you want to place the paper towel over so that you can see the black part of the screen, just like that. And then now, if everything went well, it should be very clear that there's no need to refurbish this screen. Now, one thing that we do need to note is that some of these particles got on the table. So we're going to have to be really careful when we sweep that off. And one of the neat things about this process is it cleanly separates the glass from the digitizer and the blacklight, or whatever that thing is. Definitely separated.